What is 0 of a polynomial? Consider a polynomial p of x equals 3x plus 1, and we have to check if x equals minus 1 by 3 is 0 of this polynomial, or if x equals 1 by 3 is a 0. Now what do we mean by that? Put the value of x equal to minus 1 by 3. So p of minus 1 by 3 equals 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So 3 gets cancelled. So we have minus 1 plus 1 equals 0. So when I put x equal to minus 1 by 3, the polynomial becomes 0. So the value of this polynomial becomes 0. So therefore, x equals minus 1 by 3 is 0 of the polynomial 3x plus 1. Now consider p of 1 by 3, which is 3 into 1 by 3 plus 1. So I get 1 plus 1, which is 2. So if I put x equal to 1 by 3 in this polynomial, the polynomial does not become equal to 0. So therefore, x equals 1 by 3 is not 0 of the polynomial 3x plus 1.